Hi you guys, I got my package from Simply Pleasures 2017 exchange on Redditgifts, and super excited. And this box is heavy, so let's open it up and see what we got. I went ahead and opened the top just to make this a little bit more convenient, but I have not yet got anything out or looked. So let's get started, shall we? I'm going to put a link below to Redditgifts. If you are not familiar with Redditgifts, I would strongly encourage you to go check it out and see what it's all about. It's a wonderful community. It's so much fun, and I am super happy to be a part of it. Aww, okay, so we're starting off with a few things that are wrapped in tissue paper, which I will be reusing this tissue paper because it is very cute, very cute. So I got a note here. Angie, I really hope you enjoy all of these simple pleasures. I really love everything in this box and hope you enjoy them also. From your Secret Santa. Thank you, Secret Santa. Let's check it out. Oh, Chihuahua's already like over here seeing what's going on. Come here, Chihuahua. She's like, I want to see what's in the Simple Pleasures box. Alrighty. Let's check it out, shall we, Lucy? Alright, you get down for a minute, though. I can focus on unwrapping everything. Alright, let's see if this will. Oh! Ooh, very cool! Okay, so we have a rejuvenating pomegranate peel-off mask. I haven't used a face mask in a really long time, so this is actually a very awesome treat. Okay, this one is a charcoal and black sugar mud mask. I will probably be doing, well, I definitely will be doing reviews of each one of these for sure over on my review channel. This is a foot pumice and foot butter. Ooh, a cute little packaging on that one. Looks like feet. And then, ooh, bath soaks, yay! Oh, I'm excited for these. We have an Aches and Pain Nighttime Relief bath soak with lavender, chamomile, and menthol right here. And then we have a Muscle Relief Aches and Pains Concentrated Mineral Bath Soak. This is got Epsom salt, menthol, and spearmint. Very cool. I'm super excited about all the bath goodies. Yay! Ah, and then some Starbucks White Chocolate Mocha Instant Latte. Right here. I'm not a coffee drinker myself, but I do have people in my life I care about that would probably really enjoy having some coffee, so that is not going to go to waste. Yeah, the best gummy bears around, she says, and I would have to probably agree with that. These are some dang good gummy bears. Very cool. I'll probably have to share these with my friend and housemate Jay, because he's a gummy bear fan too. What does this one say? She put little notes on everything, but my vision is so crap that I can't read it. Here's this, what it looks like. I wish I could read it, but yeah, I can't read that. It's so small. So let's just open it up and see what we got going on in here, shall we? Ooh, packaged well. Try not to destroy the tissue paper too much. Bubbles! Yes, that is a simple pleasure. That is enjoyable. Bubbles with a large bubble one. Ooh, and it even makes it to where you can put a lanyard or something on that. Very cool. I will be enjoying the bubble one. Oh, treat yourself. You damn right I will. Thank you so much. I do love me some turtles. Oh, and these are the best kind too, the ones with cashews. So good, so good. I'm gonna probably make quite a dent in these tonight. And even more candy. Chocolate. Yay! Ooh, and these are good ones. Kit Kat, Almond Joy, Reese's, and Hershey's. I love all 4 of those. Yum, that's a big bag. I'm going to be sharing that as well. What else did you send? Let's see here. At the bottom of the box, some Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean. Very nice. Always good to stay hydrated and treat your lips. Yep, and then this note says, Kids know Simple Pleasures, and I can already tell you I know what it is. It's going to be a coloring book. Let's check it out, shall we? Ah, it looks like she also included some, yep, colored pencils as well. Oh, that's a cute one, look. And then here's the colored pencils. Ah, thank you so much. You did a wonderful job picking out so many goodies for me. And actually, I'm thinking that I might be able to utilize some of these pages to inspire some paintings and artwork as well. As, you know, coloring and relaxing and so forth. Very, very cool. Thank you so much for all of the goodies. I am going to be thoroughly enjoying everything. Let me bring it all up in here if I can, because there's so much. Oh my goodness, spoilage. I got spoiled to death here, but I am not complaining. Thank you, Secret Santa. You are amazing. Look at this. Like, oh wait, oh, let's not forget this one. Ah, hit the mother load. Thank you so much. You were awesome. You did a fantastic job. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to put a link below to Redditgifts. Please go check out that website. See what it's all about. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. You really improved my spirits and mood today. Is a really long day, so I've just kind of been groggy and tired, and it energized me, and all the sugar is definitely going to energize me as well. So, yay! All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.